Welcome back to another tutorial. Whoop, whoop. So guys, I'm back with another transformation video. I took a long wig that I had like 2 years and I'm cutting it into a smaller wig, a short style. Right here I'm showing you how I section out the hair before I begin the cut to make it easier and make it more of a precise cut and the look I'm going for. So here I am just creating a guide for how short I want my wig to be. I'm gonna create a lot of layers in this haircut, just because I want the body and the thickness of the wig to be once I cut it. So keep on watching to see how I achieve this look. So as I'm moving along with my cut and moving up towards the front of the head, I'm elevating the hair all the way out to create those layers, and I'm also point cutting because I don't want any blunt lines in my cuts. So as you can see, I'm point cutting the whole time. Look how the hair is just flowing, flow.
Friends, get that inside your head.
Moving on to the top with the point cutting. I'm almost to the front of the head. I'm getting to the top. I'm gonna do the front different from what I'm doing the back. I'm coming to an end and then the back. Watch and see how I cut my last few pieces and then move to the front.
I made it obvious. I say you crazy, we're nothing more than friends.
Okay, so in the front of the head, I want like one side of the bang to be real full and kind of long, and I want the other side to be short and blend in with the back of the head. So I want one side longer than the back, and I want the other side like the same length as the back. So that's what you see me doing. I'm not gonna really cut too much of my front because I'll leave that for the time when I start styling the hair. But for now, I'm gonna just do a little guideline cut, like around the length I want to keep both sides of the front. So I've completed the cut, phase 1 of the cut at least. And on this picture, I show like how much of the layers, like, do you see these layers? It's insane. Okay, so I wet the hair and I'm gonna go back in and cut all the pieces I didn't see before. Of course, I'm still point cutting, but I have to go in and see, where all my errors was. Usually it's the time that I fix everything about the haircut is when I wet the hair and see exactly, the mistakes I made. I'm going in and making the hair a little shorter right here. So that's what I'm gonna spend like my last phase doing with the haircut, is cutting it while it's wet.
I told you once to
Another thing I failed to mention, I did a quick watercolor on this wig. I did like a black just to even out because I saw some of the front of my hair turning brown in the previous color, so I just watercolored this. Like, I needed something quick. Of course, it's old hair, so I didn't want to do too much, so a quick little black watercolor to like fix everything.
Friends, get that inside your head. No, no, yeah, Friends. We're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be reasoned, but don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out there? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out there? F-R-I-N-D-S. 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 Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, talking at ears. Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye.
So my last step is I'm gonna go in with my little razor and like fringe off some hair pieces. You can't always see with the razor and the purpose is for it while it's wet, but when you cut it and see how it created layer and fullness, you understand. This is like one of my favorite hair cutting tools, like one of the favorite ones. After blow drying and flat ironing, voila! This is the final look. Like, look at the goddamn layers. Baby, don't tell me nothing. I cannot wait to install this little baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look how it's just flowing. Ooh la la. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. See you next time.